Have you ever caught yourself thinking, what if my Bitcoin could do more than just sit in a digital wallet? Imagine it seamlessly transferring between the Bitcoin and TON networks without relying on centralized intermediaries. This is where TON Teleport steps in, offering a groundbreaking solution that turns your Bitcoin into a dynamic participant in the decentralized finance world. Just like gold locked away in a vault, Bitcoin in your digital wallet holds value but lacks practical use for decentralized finance applications, such as lending platforms or decentralized exchanges. TON Teleport acts as the key that unlocks this potential, connecting your Bitcoin to TON blockchain and transforming it into a versatile financial tool capable of so much more than merely storing value. Here's the cool part. Your Bitcoin can now work for you. Instead of merely storing it, you can use it within the TON ecosystem to earn interest, dive into new investments, or engage in active trading. And you do all this with enhanced transparency because this bridge is built on a decentralized platform. Unlike traditional systems, it doesn't rely on a single point of control, so no central authority can freeze or take away your funds. While Bitcoin is revolutionary, it can be slow and expensive for transactions, especially during peak times. The TON bridge addresses these issues by enhancing transaction speeds and reducing costs, thanks to TON's optimized blockchain technology. So how do you transform your Bitcoin into a more versatile asset? You start by teleporting your Bitcoin into the TON ecosystem. Here's what happens. Secure peg-in process. You send your Bitcoin to a designated address where it's converted into TGBTC, a tokenized version of Bitcoin on TON. This TGBTC acts like a digital twin of your actual Bitcoin, but is equipped with added functionalities tailored for DeFi. Utility in DeFi. You can use TGBTC for a variety of applications within TON, including lending, borrowing, and yield farming. Easy redemption. Whenever you want to cash out, you can convert your TGBTC back to Bitcoin through a secure, trustless peg-out process. You might wonder, why not just buy more Bitcoin? While purchasing and holding Bitcoin is straightforward, it doesn't fully tap into the asset's potential. By using the Bitcoin bridge to TON, your Bitcoin becomes part of an expansive, feature-rich blockchain ecosystem. You get faster transactions, lower fees, and your Bitcoin becomes an active asset that can earn more than it could just sitting in a wallet. This innovation is particularly useful if you want to optimize the earning potential of your Bitcoin, integrate seamlessly with TON or Telegram, or enjoy the convenience of swiftly transferring assets between Bitcoin and TON. It bridges the gap between traditional crypto assets and modern blockchain utilities, transforming how you engage with your digital assets. And there you have it. TON Teleport BTC is redefining what your Bitcoin can do for you. If you found this breakdown helpful and are curious to see how you can turn your Bitcoin into a powerhouse in the DeFi space, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts, and let's spread the word about the exciting opportunities within TON. Got questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more updates and keep innovating in the world of crypto.